Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some of the most incredible scientific advancements happening right now. From manipulating the building blocks of life to slinging probes across the solar system, these discoveries are changing our world and our understanding of our place in the universe. Let's get started. Imagine having tiny scissors to cut and paste individual letters in the genetic code. That's CRISPR. We're talking about targeting specific genes, snipping out the bad parts that cause diseases like sickle cell anemia, and replacing them with healthy DNA. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now in labs around the world. What if we could eradicate genetic diseases altogether? Engineer crops resistant to drought and disease? CRISPR gives us that power. One of the most exciting areas of CRISPR research is in the treatment of genetic disorders. For example, in sickle cell anemia, a single mutation in the hemoglobin gene causes red blood cells to become misshapen and unable to carry oxygen effectively. With CRISPR, scientists can now target that specific mutation, correcting it and allowing patients to produce healthy red blood cells. Clinical trials are underway for a range of genetic diseases, including cystic fibrosis, muscular dystrophy, and even some types of blindness. The ability to target and potentially correct these genetic defects at their source is a game changer, offering hope to millions of people around the world. But the potential of CRISPR goes far beyond just treating diseases. Scientists are exploring its use in everything from developing new antibiotics to engineering crops that are more resistant to pests and climate change. Imagine a world where we could grow food more efficiently, reduce our reliance on pesticides, and ensure that everyone has access to nutritious meals. Of course, with any powerful technology, there are ethical considerations. We have to be careful about unintended consequences and ensure that CRISPR is used responsibly. But the potential benefits are too great to ignore. This is a tool that could revolutionize medicine, agriculture, and our understanding of life itself. It's an exciting time to be alive and witnessing this scientific revolution unfold before our very eyes. Let's talk space exploration. Multiple space agencies are gearing up to send humans to Mars, aiming to establish a sustained presence on another planet. Think about the challenges, the ingenuity, the sheer audacity of it all. NASA, SpaceX, and other countries are all in on this cosmic race. We're developing new rockets, habitats, and life support systems, pushing the boundaries of engineering and technology. Studying Mars can teach us about the history of our own planet, the potential for life elsewhere in the universe, and the challenges of long-duration space travel. But wait, there's more. We're also sending a spacecraft to a giant metal asteroid called Psyche. This thing is thought to be the exposed core of a protoplanet, a relic from the early days of our solar system. By studying Psyche, we can learn about how planets form, the building blocks of our solar system, and maybe even uncover some surprises along the way. The Psyche mission is like sending a geologist to crack open a planet and peer inside. We're talking about an object that's almost entirely made of iron and nickel, potentially worth quadrillions of dollars if we could ever figure out how to mine it. But the real treasure is the scientific knowledge we'll gain. This asteroid is a time capsule, a remnant from the earliest days of our solar system. By studying its composition, its magnetic field, and its surface features, we can piece together the story of how planets like Earth came to be. The Psyche mission is just one example of the incredible things happening in space exploration right now. From the James Webb Space Telescope peering into the farthest reaches of the universe to the Perseverance rover searching for signs of ancient life on Mars, we're living in a golden age of discovery, and the best part is, we're just getting started. Let's talk about artificial intelligence, or AI. It's here, it's real, and it's changing the world in ways we're only beginning to understand. From medical research to self-driving cars, AI is already playing a crucial role in our lives. In medicine, AI is being used to develop new drugs, diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately, and even personalize treatment plans for individual patients. Imagine a future where AI can analyze your medical history, genetic makeup, and lifestyle to predict your risk of developing certain diseases and recommend preventative measures. And it's not just medicine. Self-driving cars, powered by AI, are already being tested on our roads, promising to make transportation safer, more efficient, and more accessible. Imagine a world without traffic accidents, where you can sit back, relax, and let your car do the driving while you catch up on work, read a book, or just enjoy the scenery. But AI's reach extends far beyond our planet. In space exploration, AI is helping us analyze massive amounts of data from telescopes and probes, identifying distant galaxies, mapping the surface of Mars, and even searching for signs of extraterrestrial life. For example, the Perseverance rover currently exploring Mars is equipped with an AI-powered system called AutoNav, which allows it to autonomously navigate Martian terrain, avoiding hazards and selecting the most interesting rocks to study. This frees up scientists back on Earth to focus on the bigger picture, analyzing the data and planning future missions. AI is also playing a crucial role in the search for extraterrestrial life. With the sheer volume of data coming in from telescopes like Kepler and TESS, it would be impossible for humans to analyze it all. That's where AI comes in, sifting through the data, looking for patterns and anomalies that might indicate the presence of planets orbiting other stars. This is groundbreaking stuff, folks, and it's all made possible by the power of AI. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get really weird. We're talking about quantum computers, machines so powerful they make our current computers look like abacuses. Instead of bits, which can be either a 0 or a 1, quantum computers use qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time thanks to the mind-bending laws of quantum mechanics. This isn't just a faster computer, it's a fundamentally different kind of computing. Quantum computers can tackle problems that would take classical computers billions of years to solve, things like breaking the most complex encryption codes, revolutionizing drug discovery, and even simulating the universe itself. Companies like Google and IBM are racing to build the first practical quantum computer, and the implications are staggering. Imagine a world where we can design new materials atom by atom, develop life-saving drugs in a fraction of the time, and unlock the secrets of the universe using simulations that are indistinguishable from reality. Let's talk about cybersecurity for a moment. Right now, our online security relies on complex algorithms that would take classical computers years, even centuries, to crack. But a powerful enough quantum computer could potentially break these codes in a matter of hours, throwing our entire digital world into chaos. But here's the twist. Quantum technology can also be used to create unbreakable encryption methods, protecting our data and communications from even the most sophisticated attacks. It's a double-edged sword, but one with the potential to revolutionize cybersecurity as we know it, and then there's drug discovery. Developing new drugs is a time-consuming and expensive process, often taking years of research and billions of dollars. We've explored more of outer space than we have of our own oceans, and that's saying something. The deep sea is a mysterious and alien world, home to creatures that seem straight out of science fiction. Recently, researchers exploring the Pacific Ocean stumbled upon a hydrothermal vent system teeming with life. We're talking giant tube worms, ghostly white crabs, and fish that glow in the dark. These creatures have adapted to survive in an environment with extreme pressure, no sunlight, and temperatures that would melt lead. But here's the thing. These deep-sea ecosystems are not only fascinating in their own right, but they also provide clues about the potential for life on other planets. Scientists believe that places like Europa, Enceladus, and even Mars might harbor similar hydrothermal vents, potentially supporting microbial life or even more complex organisms. If life can thrive in the extreme conditions of the deep ocean, where there's no sunlight, intense pressure, and toxic chemicals, then it stands to reason that life could exist in other seemingly inhospitable environments throughout the universe. The discovery of these new species also highlights how much we still have to learn about our own planet. The oceans cover over 70% of Earth's surface, yet we've only explored a tiny fraction of them. Who knows what other secrets lie hidden in the depths, waiting to be discovered? It's a humbling reminder that we're just a small part of a much larger and more complex ecosystem. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content on the latest scientific discoveries. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the revolutionary potential of CRISPR to the mind-bending world of quantum computing. Science is a never-ending journey of discovery, and there's always something new and exciting to learn about the universe and our place in it. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop being curious. See you next time.